Time begins now. Which article of the Indian Constitution gives the provision of abolition of titles? Which article of the Indian Constitution gives the provision of abolition of titles? Question number 2. Who appoints the Lokayukta and Up-Lokayukta? Who appoints the Lokayukta and Up-Lokayukta? Question number 3. Which year was Odisha, O-R-I-S-S-A, renamed as Odisha, O-D-I-S-H-A? Which year was Odisha named to Odisha? Question number 4. Who wrote the national anthem?
So we are going to speak now.
Yes, let us speak.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Well done. Number 5. As per the Indian Constitution, what is the retirement age of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India? Retirement age of Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India.
65.
Well done. Right answer. Number 6. Which document is considered as the supreme law of India?
Constitution.
Well done. Right answer. Number 7. Who was the chairman of the advisory committee on fundamental rights of the Constituent Assembly of India? Who was the chairman of the advisory committee on the fundamental rights of the Constituent Assembly of India?
Dr. Pandit Jawaharlal.
I'm afraid it's wrong. Next question. Who can establish interstate council? Who can set up interstate council? Question number 9. How many articles were there in our constitution when it came into existence?
395.
Well done. Right answer. Number 10. Who was the first woman governor of a state in free India?
Sarojini Naidu.
Well done. Right answer. You are trying? No. Okay. Which article of the Indian Constitution has a provision of election commission? Which article of the Indian Constitution has a provision of election commission? Number 2. Who is the chairman of the Economic Intelligence Council? Who is the chairman of the Economic Intelligence Council? Number 3. Which year was Uttaranchal?
Second question.
Who is the chairman of the Economic Intelligence Council?
Sir, Chief Economic Advisor.
Oh, I'm afraid that's wrong. Number 3. Which year was Uttaranchal renamed as Uttarakhand?
So 2000.
Which year was Uttaranchal renamed to Uttarakhand?
So 2007.
Right answer. Number 4. Who designed our national flag? Who designed our national flag? Right color. Number 5. What is the minimum age to become the governor of any state in India?
So 35.
Right answer. Which fundamental right in the Indian Constitution was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of Constitution? Which fundamental right in the Indian Constitution was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of Constitution?
Sir, right to constitutionalities.
Well done. Right answer. Number 7. Who presented the objective resolution before the Constituent Assembly? Who presented the objective resolution before the Constituent
Sir,
Assembly?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Well done. Right answer. Number 8. Who has the right to summon the Parliament?
Sir, President.
Well done. Right answer. Number 9. How many Constitution Amendment Acts have been enacted so far?
Sir, 186.
Well done. Right answer. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India?
Sir, President.
Well done. Right answer.
Article 51A.
Well done. Right answer. Who is the highest law officer in India?
So can you repeat the question?
Who is the highest law officer, legal officer in India?
Supreme Court.
I'm afraid that's wrong. Number 3. Which year was Pondicherry renamed as Puducherry?
2004.
I'm afraid that's wrong. Question 4. What is the length and width ratio of our national flag? Ratio. Length and width of our national flag.
1:3.
Sorry?
1:3.
I'm afraid that's wrong answer. Number 5. What is the minimum age for the contesting in the elections of Panchayat? If you want to contest Panchayat election, how many years old you must be minimum?
25.
I'm afraid that's wrong. Number 6. Which word in the preamble to Indian Constitution indicates that people have the supreme right to make decisions? Which word? There is a word in our preamble.
The sovereign.
Well done. Right answer. Number 7. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee? Who proposed?
M.N. Roy.
Sorry?
M.N. Roy.
I'm afraid that's wrong. Number 8. Who is the constitutional head of the state government? Constitutional head?
Governor.
Governor. Well done. Right answer. Number 9. How many duties are included in the Indian Constitution?
11.
Well done. Right answer. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha after India turned into a republic?
G.B. Malvankar.
Well done. Right answer. You have any doubt? Which answer could not be given? Under which article of the Indian Constitution are the fundamental duties noticed? You have told. Which one? Okay. Who is the highest law officer in India?
Can you repeat the question?
Who is the highest law officer in India?
President.
I'm afraid that's wrong. One more important answer. Which year was Pondicherry renamed as Puducherry?
2008.
2008. I'm afraid wrong. Time over. How many correct answers? Which articles of the Indian Constitution deal with official language?
Article 8.
I'm afraid that's wrong. Articles, there are many articles. Number 2. Who is the presiding officer of Lok Sabha? Presiding officer of the Lok Sabha. Very easy question.
The Speaker.
Right answer. Number 3. Which year was Madras renamed to Chennai? Which year was Madras renamed to Chennai? Number 4. Sorry.
2001.
Who wrote our national song? National song.
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Right answer. What is the minimum age to qualify for the election of Lok Sabha? Minimum age to qualify for election of Lok Sabha.
35.
Oh, I'm afraid that's wrong. Question number 6. What is the symbol of our constitution?
Sorry.
Symbol of our constitution.
The Lions.
Oh no, wrong answer. Number 7. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? Question number 8. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India?
The President.
Well done. Right answer. Number 9. How many members were there in the Constituent Assembly of the Indian Constitution?
389.
300?
89.
Very close, but wrong answer.
398. 398.
Go on. I'll give you time issues.
The next question.
Who is the ex officio chairman of the Council of States?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Who is the ex officio chairman of the Council of States? Okay, I repeat the question which you did not answer. Which articles of the Indian Constitution deal with official language?
Sir, Article 8.
Wrong answer. Which year was Madras renamed to Chennai? What is the minimum? Okay, time up.